Did you know that there are thriving YouTube channels that require no face or voice to gain popularity? Yes, it's a faceless channel on YouTube, and this faceless niche is called Baby Sensory, okay? And it is quietly blooming, okay? In this video, I'll show you how we can easily make one of these channels to start earning money without much effort. So check out Baby Sensory Bedtime Songs. It has over 2 million views. You got some videos that are super popular, getting over 1,800 views every hour. So according to Social Blade, Baby Sensory channel is earning approximately 2,000 to 41,000 a month. Wow. Then there's Lucky Bear Star. They've only been around for 10 months. Can you believe that? But already has tons of views and over 16,000 subscribers. So according to Social Blade, Lucky Bear Star is making an estimated amount of between $300 to $5,000 a month, guys. Okay? And they have only been operated for a year. To prove how simple this is, I'll walk you through step by step in making your own sensory video using Canva. Easy peasy. Guys, so today I will teach you how you can easily create faceless, voiceless children's video using Canva. And of course, we're going to go to Canva video and you will choose the video that best fits your style, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. So of course we'll choose the YouTube video. And I will first like to show you where you can get your music for the kids videos. And you can get your music in the audio library in YouTube for free. You can search for children's songs or kids music, and you will get like different songs. This is Bright and so forth. Of course, you can get a nursery rhymes and all those, right? So you can use these. I like this. So I will download this. Click on download. So now we will go back to Canva. I will like to use a dark screen. So let us go to elements and look for a dark sky. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Go to video. So we can use something like this, which is not bad, or we can go darker, right? So usually these videos they usually have dark skies, or they usually have some sort of dark background. So I guess that will help put kids to sleep if you want to make sleepy ones, but you can make different styles. It's up to you. So this video is 20 seconds, and as you can see, if you go to a black file, the longest timing is 30 seconds, okay? And you will have to scroll at the bottom here. You'll see zoom page, and when you have the bottom row selected, that means you'll be zooming on the bottom row right here. And when you click, the top row will be selected, so you'll be zooming on your video at the top, okay? So we will go to elements again, and we'll search for sky elements or stars and so forth. Okay, so I would like to let us start with a rocket ship because I've been using that a lot, and click on rocket ship. Of course, make this bigger so you can see what I'm working with. And I realized that, sorry, not JPEGs, but PNG files, they animate way better. Well, that is my observation. Some files animate a lot better than others. Okay, so I will position this by clicking on the rotate arrow and rotate this, and I will animate this. But before I animate, I will cut this file up so I can place different elements on the screen. Okay, so in order to cut it up, you right click on the playhead and select split. Okay, so I will leave this as is for now, and let us get a rocket ship back on the page, and we continue to animate. So in order to animate, you go to animate and click on create animation. You can do page animation or elements animation. Okay, so we want to animate the element, which is the rocket ship, and I will click. What I realize is that when you click on create animation and you click on shift and you drag, it's very jagged. Okay, so if you just click like this and you drag without holding shift, to me it is much smoother. Okay, so let's see what we get. Ooh, okay, are you seeing this? Okay, the reason why I like to use PNGs is that it usually give you the speed control, so you can make this as slow or fast as you like. So I will reduce the speed, and we are animating the wrong slide. So we'll just click on the slide, hold the mouse down, we will left click and drag, release. Okay, so we have one element on stage. Let us go back and look at other elements that we can use. Of course, I will go in my recent files because I have been using some really cool stuff here. And of course, when the rocket ship is going through space, it will meet other elements, right? What we can do is slowly drag in other elements, right? So we will drag in Saturn. Is that Saturn? Let us see. So we'll animate this. Click on animate and create animation. Guys, if you are loving this so far, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so as you see, it is not fast at all. So I will delete this, and I will try to get an element that's PNG. Saturn PNG file. Okay, so let us try this. This is a pro version, right? So we will try this one. So what we'll do is animate this. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us a speed option, so we can slow that down. Okay, so what we'll do is it's up in the path, right? I will just move it like this. How can we forget our music? Let us go to music. So we'll go to upload. In order to upload the music, you'll have to go to upload, click on audio, and upload file to get your music. But I already have my music, so I will, oh yeah, no, I'll have to upload the music I just downloaded here. Okay, so I've uploaded my music. Okay, and I'm putting the music right here. Press play. So I like this so far. I will click on this to make it much bigger. Next, I will want to bring in another element, and I will bring in, let's say, Jupiter. Let us use a PNG file. Can we try this one? So what I will do is move the playhead, then I will bring in Jupiter. So what I can do is probably have Jupiter up here, but let us see how we can animate Jupiter, okay? Right, so we have a little bit of speed control, which is great. So we can slow Jupiter down. Okay, so what I would like to do is bring on Jupiter later. So I'll bring Jupiter on. You know what? I will remove Jupiter from here, delete, and sort of tighten up this animation, and I will bring Jupiter in here. Right, so basically animation has come to an end here. Okay, so I really don't want that to be very quick. What I realize is the shorter the slide, the faster the animation will be on that slide. So I will tighten up this. So let us go for clouds. Okay, we have these clouds, but we can change it to white. But you know what? Let's put the clouds in its own section, okay? So we can probably put the clouds here. Right, I know that there isn't clouds in space, but let us pretend. All right, so let us animate this. Click on animate, and we drag this across. Right, so we didn't get that speed control. Let us undo again. Okay, now we got the speed control. So guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing here? So I think the longer it is, the easier to get that speed control, maybe. So let us slow that down. Right, this is perfect. Okay, and next, what can we put? Let's put stars. Can we use an animated star? Okay, no, I wouldn't use those. This one is nice. What I would like to show you guys is that you can also create your own little eyes and so on the stars. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So cartoon eyes and mouth, can you get those animated? I'm not sure, but let us see. So we are seeing some stuff here. So the animated ones, let's try this. Okay, right. So let's look for arms and legs. Right, so we have some pro. So I will reduce this. And of course, I will use a pro version. And let us get some arms. Right. Now, of course, you can adjust this, to fit. And what I will do is put this position backward. And I will go ahead and select everything. So in order to do that, let me just remove the background here. And I will select, oh, we didn't get a mouth. That is awesome. Okay, so what we'll do is select everything and we will group these. Okay, so now it's grouped, it is one element. How sweet is that? Okay, so we will now scale this down and we have our little star. Right, so now let us get our background back, copy and paste this, position backward. Right, perfect. I know we're not seeing the arms and leg, but it will work for now. Okay, so let us go over here and animate our character. So it is like, to me, it is like every character has their time on stage. Oh my, we cannot animate this because it's grouped together. Okay, so basically that's the problem we're having. So let us create an animation path for this and we will keep it here. And you see, we have the speed, we can control the speed. And now let us do a little rotate. So what I want it to do is to do a little more rotating, okay? So I will put it back here again and I will make it sort of dance to the music. So let us do something like that, okay? It's fun. So let us go click on this and go back to animate and let us see which one works better. So we'll just have to click on animate and you see what's happening here? Let's delete path. Okay, go back. Okay, so I guess in order to keep this group, I have to click on this, but let me delete the path in this one. So create animation. Okay, so I'll do something like this. It's too quick. So delete the path again. What we can probably just use is the wiggle. Make it more intense because we want to imitate dancing movement. Okay. So guys, I think we have everything here. What else can we put here? What other sky elements? The planets. Oh, we can have something like a meteoroid here. Oh, we can have these probably small, very tiny in the background. Let's animate this. Create a path. Okay, I want this to be very smooth. So we can make it very slow. Right, and we can probably put a wiggle to this as well. Right, and over here, let us put something else. Okay, so over here we can probably put the moon in the distance and we will click on animate, drag this over slowly. And kind of leave the moon here. Okay, I'm not getting the speed. So we delete path again and try it. Right, so let me use this and position this backward. Sorry, forward. Okay, so we have our first 21 seconds so animated, right? What I realized is that you can sort of change this up. You can even put this on a plain background because that's what most of them use. And we go to element and you bring on other characters, right? You can make this animate very slowly across the screen. Okay, so let us animate. What I realize is when I hold it and I drag it quickly, I can get the speed. So I can slow this down right down. Okay, look at this. So I can slow it down even further and click on smooth. So let us try by extend the slide and see what happens. Okay, so it will basically stay there. So what I will do is sort of, now that I've extended the file, let me animate this again. Well, the slide, sorry. Let me animate this by clicking on delete path and try again. Okay, so I can make this very slow and smooth. This is it, guys. So when you are completely finished with this, all you have to do is click on share, download, and of course you want to download all your slides and you want to do a MP4 video, of course, right? And you click on download. So now, guys, let us look at the final video. Easy it was to create your own sensory video with the right approach and tools like Canva. Anyone can tap into this niche and start earning passive income today. So why wait, guys? Start creating your own sensory videos today and make some money online. So if you like making money without showing your face, then you will definitely enjoy this video right here.